In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to bold text in WPS Office. Making text bold is one of the simplest yet most effective ways to emphasize important information in your documents. WPS Office provides multiple methods to bold text, so you can choose the approach that best suits your workflow. I'll guide you through each method step by step. Begin by typing your text in WPS Office. Once your content is ready, select the portion that you want to make bold. This ensures that only the highlighted text is affected. The first and easiest method is to use the bold icon located in the toolbar at the top of your screen. The icon is represented by the letter B. Simply click on this icon and the selected text will immediately appear in bold. This method is fast and convenient for quickly formatting your document. The second method involves using the context menu. After selecting your text, right-click on it to open the Options menu and then choose the Font option. Within the font settings, you will see a Style section that includes the Bold option. Select Bold and click OK to apply the formatting. This method is particularly useful if you are already adjusting other font settings, as it allows you to make multiple changes in one place. Finally, the most efficient method for many users is using a keyboard shortcut. If you are on a Windows computer, press Ctrl and B together and the highlighted text will become bold instantly. For Mac users, the shortcut is Command and B. This method is ideal when working with large amounts of text or when you want to maintain your typing flow without switching to the mouse or toolbar. Using any of these three methods, you can emphasize headings, key points, or important phrases in your documents. Bold text improves readability and draws attention to essential information, making your documents look polished and professional. By practicing these techniques, you can quickly switch between bold and normal text, saving time while creating well-formatted documents. Choosing the method that fits your workflow will help you work more efficiently and maintain consistency throughout your writing. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.